Hello everyone, you welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make this boiled plantain with omelette and pepper sauce. One of my best breakfast recipe. I'll be using half ripe plantain. You can also use unripe plantain if you want. I'll go ahead and peel the plantain like this and cut it into the shapes. You can also cut it into any shape of your choice. I'll give it a proper rinse and add some water to the pot. After adding some water, I'll go ahead and add salt. Cover it up and allow it to cook till it's soft. These are the ingredients I'll be using for the omelette, guys. I'll list everything in the description box. So for this omelette, I'm going to mince all my vegetables. So this is how I mince my vegetables. So I decided to add this knife skills for this video, guys, so you can learn. After mincing my onions, I'll go ahead and mince my green bell peppers, guys. All the vegetables, the list of the ingredients will be in the description box, so please check it out. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Kindly hit that subscribe button, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. This recipe is one of my healthy breakfast menu. You can also have this for dinner, guys. So I'm almost done cutting my vegetables. So after cutting all my vegetables, I set it aside. Go ahead and check my plantain, and my plantain is ready, it's done. At this point, just insert a skewer and can see that it's soft. So I bring it down from the fire. Go ahead and prep other ingredients for the omelette. I'll go ahead and break my egg. You can use any number of egg of your choice, guys. For this omelette, I'm going to add everything inside the egg, like as I'm doing. Just follow the video, guys. So after adding my salt, my onions, I'm adding minced garlic and scotch bonnet, that's green and yellow bell peppers, guys. I'll go ahead and add my bouillon cube. Mix everything together and set it aside. I'll go ahead and fry my omelette on medium to low heat, guys. If you fry your omelette with high heat, it will burn. It has to be medium to low heat. So my omelette is ready. I set it aside. In that same pan, I go ahead and add my vegetable oil, add some minced onions, and go ahead and add in a little bouillon cube. You can also do salt at this point, guys. After frying my onions till it's fragrant, I go ahead and add in my minced, this is mixed habanero pepper, scotch bonnet, cayenne pepper, and chili pepper. I blend everything together, guys. Also there's garlic and ginger here. That's mixed spice I'm adding, guys. You fry this pepper till it's looking like still like the oil is floating on top. That's when you know that the pepper is well fried. So I go ahead and add in a little salt to taste. You can see my pepper sauce looking very nice. I finished that up with some chopped cayenne pepper, guys. It's actually optional, but it makes the look of the pepper sauce so look very, very nice. And my delicious breakfast menu, you can also have it as dinner, is ready. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Try this recipe and drop a comment in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. To my amazing returning subscribers, I see you all. Thank you for always stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye.